Hello and welcome to our lesson on the negative form of the simple present tense. Today we're going to learn how to make negative sentences in English. It's not as complicated or hard as it sounds, so let's get started. Well, the general structure is subject plus do or does and not and the base form. But for subjects like I, you, we, and they, use do and not. And for the subjects he, she, or it, use does and not. Here are some examples. I do not play soccer. You do not watch TV. We do not eat meat. They do not like spicy food. He does not speak Spanish. She does not dance. It does not rain every day. Remember to use do not for plural subjects and does not for singular subjects. Okay? Also, the base form of the verb always follows do not or does not. So for third person singular nouns, don't say, for example, he does not plays. No, it's incorrect. You should say he does not play. The base form of the verb should be used, okay? Must be used, actually. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to make negative sentences in the present simple tense. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature to you. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time in the next video for more English lessons.